Well, for this beautiful project, you need the ESP8266 board, Node MCU, the music, the audio player, DFPlayer Mini, of course the MQ135 sensor, smoke and gas, yeah, and so on sensor. Of course the OLED screen or OLED display, and this speaker 20 ohm 1 watt. Of course the SD card, okay, should be FAT16 or FAT32. Okay, let me put the SD card onto, I don't know, into, yeah, okay, the SD card into the DFPlayer Mini. Okay, this is the K-ohm resistor, 1 K-ohm resistor. I connect the board, the microcontroller on the breadboard. Now I put the so the 1 K-ohm resistor should be attached to the RX of the DFPlayer Mini, RX, okay, like that. Great. Okay, the sensor, okay, I put that on this side of the breadboard, but let me just first set up the DFPlayer Mini with Node MCU. So the RX is to be attached to the TX GPIO, let me see, GPIO, I forgot the GPIO 15, and this wire, okay, the TX to the GPIO 13, okay, RXD2, just like that. Beautiful, huh? Moving on. Okay, now we have two grounds here that we need to ground them. Okay, these two ground on the left side, on the right side. So these two grounds, we ground them. Just let me do that so that we can have space. Okay, now yeah, it's okay right now. Now I put back the wires like that. Okay, great. Now we need to ground, okay, the ground, so it's going to the ground, okay, like that. And now the VCC of the DFPlayer Mini is attached to the 3.3, I mean V in of the microcontroller, V in, just like that. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay. We have only 2 holes here. Maybe I need to change to do some trick here. Tricks. Let me think. Okay, maybe I need to do that. Then because we're gonna be connecting the OLED display to VIN too. So I think it's better that way. Now the smoke sensor, okay, or gas sensor. Now this is the data pin 8D, okay, the analog pin to ESP8 to 66 pin A0 and analog pin. Now the VCC, of course, to let me put back the VCC to 3.3 volts. Let me just put back like that. Then yeah, my cable is short, so okay, now to 3.3 volts. Now one more cable to ground. Okay, now we've just set up the MEQ 135 sensor. Okay, no, this is okay. No, it won't work. We connect that. Let me think. We can connect that here, for example. Yeah, it should do, I think. Okay, now the OLED display. Okay, the OLED display. The OLED display, the first wire is to be attached to this is the SDA GPIO 5 GPIO 4. Okay, that okay, GPIO 4, and that's the data pin. Yeah, the data pin, and this is the clock pin to GPIO 4. Okay, SCL. So now let me just pick a red cable. Red cable to VIN. So VIN is here. Yeah, like that. Now this is the ground. Okay, we've just set up the OLED display. Now you connect, okay, the speaker. Okay, the plus of the speaker goes to SP K1, okay, of the DFPlayer Mini, and the minus of the speaker goes to SP-K2. Okay, I'm going to show you the schematic. Okay, this is the schematic, the diagram of our project. Okay, so I used this audio. Okay, you need to name it 001 so that it can work. So this is the code the audio and the code I'm going to provide, okay, in the description of this video, okay, and also the schematic, okay. I'm going to put the link of those three things in the description. So for this project, you install this library, okay, the first one, and the second one. This is for OLED display, okay, this one. So now testing time.
Your home is burning. 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 Your home is burning.
I got the Arduino Uno board for this project, beautiful project. Welcome to TME Education. So DFPlayer Mini, this module, the audio player. So we also need the OLED display, the flame sensor. Get for yourself a speaker, 20 ohm, 1 watt, I think watt, 1k resistor. Okay, now the SD card, okay, the disk format should be FAT16 or FAT32. Okay, so we put the DFPlayer Mini on the breadboard. Okay, now we need this 1k resistor attached to the RX pin of the DFPlayer Mini. Welcome to TME Education, guys. Okay, now the RX through this K resistor will be connected to the TX of the Arduino Uno pin 3, defined on the Arduino code. Now the TX of the DFPlayer Mini will be attached to the RX of the Arduino Uno pin 2, defined in the code. Okay, now this is the VCC is going to VCC, okay, VCC 5 volt. Okay, this is ground. Okay, now we attach the VCC to the 5 pin to the Arduino pin 5 volt. Then we have 2 ground pins on the DFPlayer Mini that need to go to need to be ground. Okay, the 2 ground pins to the ground. Okay, it's done. Okay, we've just set up the DFPlayer Mini with Arduino. Now we set up the OLED display. Okay, VCC to 5V. Then ground to ground, and the pin, the clock pin SCL to Arduino pin, analog pin A5. The data pin SDA to Arduino pin A4. Then now the flame sensor, 3 pins. On my left side is the data pin, the middle pin ground, and on my right side is the VCC. So VCC, the data pin to pin 6 to Arduino pin 6. So let me just pick a wire for pin 6. Okay, so this is pin 6. Okay, now okay, pin 6. Now let me grab another wire for, let me see, this is for ground. Let me connect the ground like that. Then I think I messed up. This is the VCC pin. The data pin is on this side, okay, on my left side, and on my right side is the VCC. Oh, cool. I think it's almost done. We just need to connect the SD card. Okay, the format should be FAT16 and or FAT32. Maximum number of supported folders is 100. Now we connect the speaker. Okay, I'm going to show you the schematic. Okay, don't worry. Before I show you the schematic, we need to create the audio. Okay, to create the audio, you go to TTS, I think, maker. You go to this side, and I'm going to use a male voice. Now to create the to convert to speech, you need to put the CAPTCHA, I think, code. Then it will
Your home is
create
burning.
the audio for
Your home
you.
is burning.
Okay, I use the male voice. Then you can download. Okay, now you rename your audio. Okay, your file audio should start always with 2 zeros. Okay, I think 2 zeros, and then comes 1 1 2 3. Okay, and yeah, then so this is the diagram, and this is the code for this project. Very simple. I'm going to provide in the description of this video. Okay, cool.
Your home is burning. 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 Your home is burning.
Wrong identification. Wrong identification. Welcome home. Welcome home. Wrong identification. Wrong identification.
Get for yourself an Arduino Uno. Our boss. Then you also need the RFID reader module. Okay, you will need the let me see, a 5V, okay, a DFPlayer Mini, and a 1K resistor attached to the RX. Okay, then we need an LCD display to display the informations. Okay, great. Four pins. Okay guys, 4 pins. Then this is our speaker to 20 ohm. Okay, 1 watt, I don't know, or whatever. So now you need a 5V relay module, 3 pins, VCC, ground, and yeah, the in signal. You need a 12V solenoid door lock. Okay, okay, I think we are good. Now we need to build the experiment. Okay, get some cables for the connections. Let me zoom in. Now this is the VCC. Okay, so going to 5V. So this is the RX of the DFPlayer module. Okay, the RX is attached to this 1K resistor. The RX is going to pin 3 of the Arduino Uno, pin 3. Then we need so now we are setting up the DFPlayer Mini. Now that's the TX is going to pin 2 of the Arduino Uno. Okay, pin to this cable to pin to pin to. Okay, great. Now with 2 grounds, okay, on the DFPlayer Mini. Okay, we need to ground this ground. Okay, so 2 grounds. Okay, this one. Now we need to connect. Okay, to connect these grounds. If you want to Arduino ground pin, just like that. Beautiful. easy. Is that easy? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, zooming out. Just let me rotate the build, because we need to, I'm going to show you how to set up, okay, the RFID reader module with Arduino. Okay, I think we need to rotate, okay, just a little bit, okay, just like that, then stop rotating. Okay, the first pin, okay, of the module is the pin SDA, okay. The data pin is going to pin 10 of the Arduino Uno, okay, but the cable is short, so we need to, yeah, to come with some skills. Okay, so now pin 10, Arduino Uno pin 10. Now the second cable is the SCK, okay, the clock, okay. SCK is the pin 13, okay, pin 13 of the Arduino Uno. And then the third pin, that cable, okay, the next cable is going to pin I think is 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐿, so 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐿, MOSI, okay, pin 11, okay, pin 11, let me spin 11, it's here. Now the next wire cable is to pin MISO, I think it's MISO, I don't know, okay, but yeah, MISO, so pin 12, of the Arduino Uno. We're almost done, okay guys. Okay, just like boom. I'm tired. Okay, and now the fourth, I mean, yeah, this is the ground, okay. It's going to ground, guys. We need to ground the module, okay. Ground pin, black, always ground if you are a beginner, okay. And this one, what is this? Reset pin, okay. Reset pin to Arduino Uno pin 9, okay. Boom, boom, just like that. Then grab another wire. This is reset pin RST pin 9. Okay, now a red wire. The reader consumes, if you want the concept, okay, whatever. The reader, okay, is powered up with 3.3 volts, okay. Good, magic. Okay, zoom out. Now we need to set up the SD display. Very easy, huh? Very easy. Well, I don't know. Yeah, it's easy to set up, to, you know. so many problems in the sometimes the code is not working, sometimes the cable is not working. Yeah, but it's easy. It's easy. It's easy. Okay, this is the to be attached to 5 volts. Okay, because the LCD is powered up with 5 volts. Then we need to ground, okay, this cable, okay, to go to ground. The other, let me see. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, now this is the SDA pin. Okay, SDA pin is attached to Arduino pin A4, analog pin A4, and the clock pin SCL to Arduino pin pin A5, an analog pin. Okay, boom. Okay, I just switched the cables. Okay, now we're almost done. Okay, then now we need to set up to connect the relay module, okay, to Arduino Uno, so that we can control the 12 volt solenoid. Okay, so this is in the pin ground, and the VCC is this third pin. Okay, so now we need to set up this. Okay, to set up, let me just, because on Arduino Uno we only have one 5 volt pin. So the LCD 5 volt pin, the relay module 5 volt pin. So we need to, and the DFPlayer Mini also 5 volt pin. So we need to, you know, to make some things so that we can connect, okay, these three devices to the same Arduino pin 5 volt. Okay, so okay, now the black wire is going to ground. I'm going to show you the schematic, okay, within a few minutes. Okay, now the data pin of the relay module, okay, is going to pin to Arduino pin 6, okay, to control the Arduino pin 6 will give will control, okay, the 12 volt solenoid door lock. Okay, now we need to set up the solenoid door lock with Arduino, but we need to this cable. Now we attach this cable to normally open, no, closed, okay, of the Arduino, of the relay module. Okay, so we're gonna need an external power supply, 12 volts. Okay, guys. Okay, just like that. No, this is the command. Now the plus 12 volt, okay, plus 12 volt to normally open, and you need to connect the minus if you want the ground of the 12-volt power supply, which is minus, okay, with minus of the solenoid door lock. Okay.
We're
almost done. I think the speaker. So we need to connect, okay, the plus of the speaker to SPK1. Okay, the plus, the red cable, and the black, the minus to SPK2, just like that. Okay, we're done. Okay, now we need to this is the schematic, guys. Okay, the diagram. Now we need to connect our Arduino to our laptop. So this is the code to get, okay, if you want to be, because if you want to use, okay, the cards, okay, the right card, if you want to, we need to, yeah, to use this code, okay, so that we can know the card. So in the, you also need to install these libraries, okay. You will install this library, okay, you need to install this one too. Okay, great. Now we can upload this code, okay. This code allows us to know, okay, the hex of the card, okay, the code, okay, of the card, okay, the tag UID, okay, of the card. Okay, so now we as you can see, this is the RFID UID of this card. And this is the RFID UID of this blue card, okay.
Welcome home.
Okay, now this is our main program,
identification.
Okay, these two codes I'm going to provide in the description of this video. Now testing time.
Identification. Welcome home. Welcome
Thank
home.
you so much, and don't forget to subscribe
identification.
and hit the bell icon.
Identification.
Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to upload. Ideas with Itamar. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to upload. Ideas with Itamar.
Great. Okay, for this beautiful project you need a Arduino Uno, the master, the boss, CEO, and the DFPlayer Mini, the SD card. So this is our the thing that allows us to make noise. DFPlayer Mini, beautiful thing, smart one. Okay, I put back. Then this is the 1K ohm resistor. Okay guys, let's move on. Push button. So 4 legs, and to display informations we need the OLED screen OLED, yeah, display, 4 pins. Okay, I put back also. I put back. Okay, now let's start the wheel thing. Put back the SD card. Okay, guys. Like so. Moving on. Now we need some cables. Some cables. Okay, that's the SCL, okay, pin. It's going to be attached to analog pin A5. Then the SDA, the data pin, to analog pin A4. Then of course the VCC to power up the OLED. We need to connect the VCC to 5 volts. Then the ground, okay, black wire, ground. We grounded the ground. We ground the ground, just like that. Okay, now we need to set up the module DFPlayer Mini. DFPlayer Mini. Okay, let me see. So this is the pin. So between pin RX of the DFPlayer Mini and Arduino Uno pin 11 with the 1K ohm resistor. Okay, so RX, between RX and pin 11 with the 1K ohm resistor. So we attach okay, the VCC of this module to 5 volts. Okay, so just let me see how I can connect, because both devices, okay, use 5 volts. Okay, so now we need to figure out how to connect, okay, the 2 devices to 5 volt of the Arduino Uno. Okay, let me give a little bit of space here. So we need an additional hole if you want. Okay, just now I can connect the VCC, okay, of the OLED screen to 5 volts. Okay, now that's great. Okay, we need to move forward. Okay, let me see. So this is the TX of the module, okay, to pin 10. Okay, we're almost done. Then we need to okay, to set up. Okay, so with 2 grounds, okay, on the module, okay, and they need to go to the ground of the Arduino Uno. Okay, we ground them like that. Boom, boom. Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, now we need to set up the the push button. So input pull up. Okay, so we ground one of the 4 pins, one of the pins, okay, to ground, and the other we're using pin 2 of the Arduino Uno, okay, as the input, okay, for the push button. Now we need to let me see. Okay, the red cable is the speaker 1, and the black one is the speaker 2. Now I need to connect. Okay, the setup is done. What we need to do right now is to upload the code. But before uploading the code, that's the diagram, okay, and we're gonna use, okay, these files,
1,
4 audios, okay,
2,
5 audios, okay,
3.
5 audios that,
Welcome to upload.
Insert, if you want, into
Ideas
the,
with Itamar.
in the put in the on the SD card, okay, the audio. So that's the program, the Arduino program, and I'm going to put the code on in the description of this video. Okay, now testing time. Don't forget to subscribe.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to upload. Ideas with Itamar. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to upload. Ideas with Itamar. Welcome to upload 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 ideas with Itamar.
Component used: Arduino Uno, our main component, the brain of this project, of course, the DFPlayer Mini player, okay, this module to play the audio, of course, an SD card. Your SD card should be between 2 GB and 32 GB, formatted with FAT format or FAT32 format, okay. Okay, our SD card. Next is the push button, because we're gonna be controlling the audio through push button. The speaker 20 ohm and 1 watt. Okay, watt, I think watt. Okay, let me start with the connection. I put the DFPlayer Mini on the breadboard. Then the push button on this side of the breadboard. Then this is the 1K ohm resistor attached to the RX of the mini player. Okay, now the pin RX of the DFPlayer Mini will be going to Arduino pin 11. Arduino pin 11. Arduino pin 11. And then let me see. This wire is gonna be going to Arduino pin 10. So the wire is attached to TX of the DFPlayer Mini to Arduino pin 10, just like that. So next cable. This is the one. You know, guys. You know. I don't need to say something about it. About it. So this is VCC 5 volt. Okay, guys. Now black wire serves for or to ground. Okay, so 2 grounds here. So the grounds of the mini player are going to the ground of the Arduino board. Next, of course, this is input pull-up. I grounded. This is to Arduino pin 2. Okay, this is the input. Now we insert the SD card into the DFPlayer, right? Yeah, DFPlayer. Now the speaker, the red wire is to be going to speaker 1, and then the black one to speaker 2. Yeah, and okay, to upload the code. Okay, this is the schematic, guys, the diagram. And then now we need to create an audio. Okay, we're gonna be creating one audio. Okay, so this is the audio. Welcome to Upload Ideas with Itamar. Okay, and for you to download the audio, you need to convert this text into MP3, okay? And you need to provide the patch code, I think. Now you can play. If you play the anyway, so this is the text converted to audio, and you should rename your audio, okay? And you rename like that: 001, 002, 003, 004, okay, like that. For me, I name it 003, okay? And then you put that audio inside of your SD card so that the audio can be played. Then this is the code, okay? So your SD card must be like that. Okay, then, and for you to use the your SD card, okay, the DFPlayer, you should create an audio, okay? So the code is well explained, okay? And I'm going to provide it in the description of this video.
Welcome to Upload Ideas with Itamar. Welcome to Upload Ideas with Itamar. Welcome to Upload Ideas with Itamar. Welcome to Upload Ideas with Itamar.